Welcome to an avalanche path analysis and mitigation plan for State Highway 91, Fremont Pass, located in central Colorado. This has been prepared for the Saguache Avalanche Center and Colorado Department of Highways by R.Rogers in conjunction with a Pro 2 avalanche course at Colorado Mountain College in Leadville, Colorado. An executive summary with objective, goals, solution, and outline for the report. Here's an overview of the study area terrain, weather, and snowpack. Elements at risk has been identified. The terrain here is between 10 and 12,000 feet, and the Zion paths have east and southeast aspects of rocky scree fields, tundra, saplings, mature timber, and grassland. An overview of the Buckeye paths. Similar ground coverings as the Zion paths. Avalanche path analysis for each individual path. There are 5 paths that have been identified that can potentially impact State Highway 91. And through here, there's detailed information about each individual path with annotated photos. And there's a link to a study area map of a CalTopo map with different layers that can be toggled on and off. Snow, weather, and avalanche observation section with snowpack summary, avalanche occurrence, snow profiles from the study area, weather and snowpack data collection overview. Here are the locations of the telemetered weather stations, snow test pits, roadside snow stakes with storm boards and interval boards, and also start zone snow stakes that are colored in 2-foot intervals that can be seen from the highway with binoculars by the Saguache Avalanche Center personnel. There's one in the Zion zone and in the Buckeye zone. There's a more detailed description of the weather and snow data collection scheme. Telemetered weather station with anemometer, relative humidity, and temperature sensors, and manual weather and snowpack observations that can be performed by the Avalanche Center personnel. There's a forecasting aspect to this, and it's for the highway maintenance workers. They'll get a bulletin delivered that has a safety rating and procedures that they need to follow per that rating. Here's an example of that bulletin. And an avalanche hazard mitigation plan. There's types of mitigation that are split into 2 different groups as far as passive mitigation and active mitigation. Passive mitigation being snow fences, things that retain the snow in the start zones and prevent it from moving. Active mitigation is implementing explosives to trigger an avalanche to reduce that hazard. And there are proposed mitigation methods and critical conditions that need to be met for that mitigation to occur, such as road closures, avalanche detection, heli bombing, or these remote avalanche control systems, such as a GasX or an Obelix system that uses a air and propane mixture that gets ignited and directed into the avalanche start zone. This is a summary of the report. And hopefully this report can help make improvements that will increase the safety of public motorists, commercial truck drivers, and highway workers in this area. Thank you for your time and your review. And a section of references throughout the report.